For a combination of Australia's leading toilet brand, Caroma, and Europe's leading behind-the-wall system brand, Geberit, the Luna Clean Flush Geberit behind-the-wall suite is the best of both worlds. This toilet features Caroma's patented Clean Flush technology and is available in the standard or slim seat design. A completely open rim combined with a generous drop zone and additional flushing power, Caroma's Clean Flush technology makes cleaning easy and more hygienic. For a minimalist, streamlined look, behind-the-wall toilets hide the cistern within the wall cavity. One of the design's key benefits is reducing the discomfort of having to brush clean after toilet use. The Luna Geberit suite offers a unique range of flush plate colour finishes that are exclusively compatible with Geberit cisterns. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft closed detachable seat, so there are no hard to reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. For a high-quality alternative, the Luna Clean Flush Geberit behind-the-wall suite will add a touch of Europe to your bathroom renovation.